That is where we're heading at today. Happy Monday. So, this is Monaco. Looks just like France to me so far. We took bus, it took like 45 minutes to get here, and yeah, it was really good. If you're sitting on the right side of the bus, you get to see all the views to the sea, and it's quite amazing. A second. So I was the tour leader for this day in Monaco, and I had two places I wanted to go. First one being Café de Paris, because that's where you have to go, and second one being the casino. And the cafe is there, and you can't see, but the casino is just next to it. So I think we're done. We're gonna go back to Nice. Not yet. You know you're gonna have that selfie moment on this hairpin right here. That's it. There they go. I think I could like this city even more than Singapore. I always thought that Singapore is like top-notch city, but comparing Monaco's beaches and places around here to Sentosa, that it's way different. This feels more real. Sentosa is like just built for, as it is, just built for like a beach location. But yeah, look at it. Looking good. Next we have to get some food. I know Jon Olsson mentioned that pizza place downstairs, so I think we're gonna give it a shot, and complete review coming later. Okay, that place was so full we decided not to wait around. Instead we gonna walk back to the, I don't know, that way, and try to spot some nice cars on the way and some lunch place. It sounded like a car, but it wasn't. actually surprised how few like supercars you can spot here. People are driving Peugeots, 206s, Fiats, 500s. Of course there's few Mercedes and Audis, but where's all the Lambos? Haven't seen any yet. Yes, I said. Let's take a minute. Yeah, as I said, we haven't really found any like supercars here yet, but luckily we found some boats to look at. Every good trip comes to its end at some point. Just had a little bit of Starbucks and now heading back to train station. We came here by bus, gonna take train back and head back to Nice. Last night at our hotel, heading back home to Finland tomorrow. I hope it doesn't get too dark quickly so we can still enjoy the scenery. Stay tuned for more. It's been like this all day. She's stopping constantly to take some photos or something, and I walk and talk to my camera like there's no tomorrow. And we go again. Taking a train after 6 p.m. in Monaco seems to be a bit harder than we thought. I guess all the working people are heading back home to France, like Nice or something. That's what we're about to do as well, if we get on the train. There's always an option, like helicopter or bus. Less fancy, but it's always an option. That wasn't so painful after all. There was bad rushing into train, but it actually had free seats, plenty of free seats. So I take my words back. You should try to use train when you're coming from Monaco to Nice. It only took like 20 minutes or so, and it had only a few stops, so very nice in total. Now heading back to hotel. Need to grab some food, probably some kebab when in France. And we're soon at the hotel, so I think we're gonna order some food. We're gonna try out the local Wolt app or local Food Panda. Here it's called Deliveroo. I'm not gonna link it below, because if you're here you know it, or you can find it. Anyways, gotta order some food. We have like 20,000 steps for today. I have 2 vlogs to edit, and it's 7 p.m. or something. Yeah, 7 p.m. so it's gonna take the rest of the night. Tomorrow flying back to Finland. Hopefully I get to upload these before heading home. If not, it's gonna take a day or 2. Bear with me. This is actually last vlog, so when you look at this, it's already everything's uploaded already. So never mind what I just said. If you like the content, hit a thumbs up, comment down below something, or subscribe to my channel. It wouldn't hurt. That's all for now. Enough talking. See you later.